I have news. Hi, my baby kitty. Come here. Come here for that announcement. We're moving! James and I are moving out of this apartment. My lease is up on April 30th. It is April 13th today. James! Get out of my purse! Thank you. This apartment is very expensive. I've known for a while that I was going to move when my lease was up. It just so happens that my best friend Allie's current roommate is moving out. It worked out perfectly. I'm gonna move into her room. I'm gonna be living with Allie. I'm very excited. James! Being in a new space is very refreshing to me, and also like being able to decorate a new space is really exciting. You wanna know the best part? The best part is in-unit laundry. I have never, ever had in-unit laundry before. There's a backyard with grass. James, we're moving, James. James's first move. Why is your mouth open like that? Another exciting thing that I'm pretty pumped about is moving content. That's my big exciting news. Not to be dramatic, but this is like the start of a new chapter in my life. My experience living alone has been so great, and I'm really grateful that it's something I got to experience, because I feel like not a lot of people have the time or opportunity to live alone ever. It was just a really nice experience I'm very happy I got to have. I really enjoy being alone, which is something that I know a lot of people are uncomfortable with. It's very unlikely that I will live alone ever again. It was a really good 2 years of my life that I spent living here, and I'm very grateful for that. But it's time for new things. It's time for changes. Kind of emotional about it, but not in a bad way. We have some good moving and apartment related content to look forward to. It just took us the wrong way to the thrift store. We got on the wrong bus.
God, it's so sunny.
I know. So, how many? 2 days ago on Monday, it snowed all day.
Oh yeah.
Literally all day.
It was like a foot of snow.
Yep. And now it's 70 and sunny. We're wearing not coats. She hates being held. Sophia left me and went to class. But I'm gonna show you what we got. I'm gonna show you what she got too, because I have it at my apartment. Sophia got this bag. This is hers. It's like a midi length skirt. Then it ties up here for like the beach. I also found this swimsuit for her. Swimsuit, bodysuit. It has like, here's the boobies, and then the rest is just black. So cute. Ugh, I also found these. I'm so mad that they don't fit me, but they fit Sophia. These sandals. They're so cute. Whatever, I'm like happy for her or whatever, so it's fine. Ooh, so I wanted to get margarita glasses, but I could only find one. So I just bought martini glasses, and I'm just gonna use them to drink margaritas in. I got this shirt that looks exactly like another shirt that I already have, but the summer version. It's this red button up. The one that I have already is from Urban, and it has like a puff sleeve and long sleeves. So this is like, the sides are cute because they're ruched, and then it has clasps instead of buttons. This was $2. But anyways, here's the best thing. It's a jewelry box. So here's what it looks like. This is glass. And then there's this one with a little cup and a little mirror. And then these two little drawers, which are so cute. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I do anything? This is the best part. It opens like all the way. Look at how many ring holders there are. And then this is for necklaces. My necklaces like probably aren't gonna fit on here because this is like very short, but oh my god, I just realized I was showing you I was wearing a bodysuit. I also got a new toy that I'm pretty excited about. I bought this at this bougie grocery store in the corner, and it smells really good. And I could really use some mental clarity right about now. Oh my god, also exciting adult purchase that I'm super stoked about is I got new pillows. Yeah, so especially now that I'm moving, I was like, I am spending money and buying myself some new fucking pillows. It's so much taller than I'm used to because my other pillows are like this thick because I've had them for so long. I'm having a pretty bad day, but it's okay. She's my little star. I finally picked up a bunch of boxes from work and I'm gonna start packing today. Packing is hard because like I still need to use this stuff. I'm just gonna start with like my coat closet and some of the clothes I know I won't wear. Ugh, it makes the most sense to take like the stuff off the walls and pack it, but I don't want to.
And this is fine, plain chocolate. Let's come to be very, very hot. I'm going to move that.
Here's my stack of progress. These two boxes I'm donating. This I'm selling. That's Sophia's. And this is all trash. Pretty much just cleared out. This dresser is empty. My desk is empty. There's a closet, or not a closet. There's a shelf on this side of my closet. There's a shelf up here in my closet that's empty except for like two things. This closet is empty. Should I bring you? Should I bring you? Do you want to move to a new apartment? No? Will you come with me? Oh.
What's up? This is fine.
Hey, what's up? My friend cut my hair. Do you like it? Do you like it? It's a little frizzy right now, but it looks good, I swear. More packing today. I'm a little bit stressed. I'm so tired. I've been watching that 70s show. Also, I don't know if you can tell or not, but my camera, something is wrong with it at the moment. The lens won't retract. And I know it's the camera body and not the lens because I've tried it with multiple lenses and it's not working with any of them. But yeah, I've been vlogging with my phone. It's low-key probably the same quality anyway, so.
I'm sorry.
Did you get tempura shrimp though?
That's fine.
I'm like,
Allison, what did you get?
I think he put.
she's so embarrassed.
She got rice and 2 rolls.
It's expensive.
Right.
All of my niggas we lit. All of my niggas we what? All of my niggas be live. All of my niggas be up. Man, the flows is sick. Got your girl all on my dick. And she know I'm the shit. She know we lit. We lit. We lit. We lit. Circus says like she a freak. Surfing my words on the beat.
It's our last day in this apartment, and I don't want to get out of bed. I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to pack a lot, and I'm going to clean a lot. Hey! Leave me alone! Stop it! She's biting my foot. James! Stop it! I'm feeling the heat today because I've been like doing stuff the past few days instead of packing. I went to a show like party thing with my friends because one of Sophia's friends, Martel, was performing. It was so much fun. He did so good. His name is Marty MC. I will link his Insta. I don't go out a lot because I'm lame. Then also I saw my friend who I haven't seen in I don't even know how long, like months and months, because we used to work together and now she doesn't work there anymore. So we all got together and had sushi at this place called Hot Walks. I got the firecracker roll and it was like honestly the best roll I've ever had in my entire life, and I can't stop thinking about it. And I can't wait to eat it again. So yeah, I got to see my friends and Jean's daughter, Allison, and they just went on vacation in Mexico and they told us all about it and it was so much fun. We tried to go to Zara after and didn't realize that it closed in 4 minutes. And then I've obviously just been working a lot. This past week actually has sucked at work because I don't feel like explaining, but basically there's been just like a lot of stuff to do and I'm tired of it. Sophia's coming over later sometime today to help me out. And we're gonna spend our last night in my apartment. I'm trying to figure out how to pack my food. For my jewelry, I'm gonna put everything except necklaces in a Ziploc bag. Taking the necklace, laying it this way, and then, oh god, I can't do this with one hand. I rolled up the necklace in here, and then I'm gonna put another necklace right here, and then fold it over again, and then I'm gonna keep putting necklaces and folding so that they're all in here, but they're not like gonna get tangled. Just thought of another moving tip. What was it again? I turned it off. LOL. Oh yeah, so for like my dishes and my breakable objects, I took some pillows like from my couch and extra pillows I had for my bed, and I put it at the bottom of the box so that if it's like put down heavily on the floor, it'll absorb like some of the impact and then your stuff will be less likely to break. Bottom of the bag, just rip a little hole right here. And then just pull the bag over the shit. Genius. Here she is. All my stuffs. James. Bye, house. Hi, guys. 'Tis the day. It's so rainy, but it makes me feel that much better about deciding to hire movers instead of doing it by myself because I mean, obviously it still sucks because the movers still have to move my stuff in the rain, but it would take me like 10 hours to move my stuff, and it's gonna take the movers like 2, so like that's good. They're not coming for a few hours. It's like mid-morning and they're coming between 3 and 5. So I need to go get coffee because my coffee pot is packed away and I already feel a headache coming on. Moving. I'm not sure how James is gonna act when we move. I know she's gonna be super scared when the movers are here because she's afraid of men. Which, do we blame her? I'm positive that I left myself shoes out to wear, but I can't find them. I don't have any shoes. Where's my shoes? I got the coffee and then I also got a little snack. And by a little snack, I mean a Big Mac. I live directly across the street from a McDonald's right now, like 20 yards from McDonald's. On my last day at my apartment, I'm gonna celebrate it by eating a Big Mac. I had to go to Dunkin' Donuts and I had to go to McDonald's because McDonald's has the nastiest coffee that has ever graced my lips. While I was there, I was waiting for my food and this lady comes in and she was like, I ordered a coffee, but I wanted 5 creams and 20 sugars, and I know that this doesn't have 5 creams and 20 sugars. I was like, a testament to how bad the coffee is, but also, that's nasty. She was like, I need my coffee sweet like me. I was like, thank you for helping me move. I love you.
I love you too.
There's a 2-hour window of the time between when the movers are supposed to come, and of course they're coming at the last minute of the 2-hour window. We're almost done. It's been like almost 2 hours. Bye. So many emotions.
I'm sad.
We made it and it's 10 o'clock and it took way longer than we thought it was going to take, and it cost a lot more money than the girl on the phone told me that it was going to cost. So I'm not very happy about that, but I'm happy that all this stuff is in here. I'm standing at the front door right now. Like, I literally can't even walk into the kitchen from here. We built a fort.
Okay.
And here's my new room. I thought I lost my fucking cat. I thought you were gone. I looked in here and she like wasn't in her cage and she wasn't under the sink and she wasn't in the bathtub, and I almost started crying, and then Allie found her. Hello. Yeah, living with a cat is gonna be a lot different than living with a dog. It's like a dog that you can't train that can go anywhere.
I don't like it.
Oh. Come on.
Come on.
Look at all the progress I've made. I haven't unpacked any of the boxes. I just sorted them and moved them around. Hi,
Where
baby.
am I?
Hi.
Come on. This is your house. All your stuff
It
is
looks like this because, like I said, Emily, who was living here before, some of this stuff is hers that she still has to get. So it's looking a little cramped. This also is just not done at all. Like, I'm selling this table and there's boxes here, and luckily like Allie already lives here, so everything is like the Wi-Fi is set up, there's dishes, there's food in the fridge, so that's really nice. I pretty much unpacked to the point where my room and the apartment is like livable. So far so good. I feel like I'm adjusting very quickly to living here, and I also love having Allie here. I've been eating Eggo waffles and only Eggo waffles for like 3 days now.